Welcome to my channel, to everyone who is new here, and of course to those of you who are back again. Great to have you here. Bitcoin is currently trading at 77,400 US dollar. In this video, we will take a look together at possible scenarios for the price development of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Things remains exciting, so make sure to watch until the end. If you like to support my work, I would really appreciate a like and a comment with more than 7 words. This helps the video reach even more people. And if you don't want to miss any daily updates, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. You will also find another video on my channel where I analyze various altcoins daily. That's definitely worth checking out too. And if you also want to trade so cheap as me, then you can try mexc. mexc is the 7th biggest exchange in the spot market, and if we go into the futures market, it's on rank 10. And as you can see, maker fees 0%, taker fees. That is very exciting because most likely we will be takers. Yeah, and the only exchanges which have less fees than mexc, I don't know them. Probably they are sketchy, maybe not. Who knows? But I'm okay with mexc because I like it there. It's safe, and they also have many events. For example, this one, 100 pairs with 0 fees. And here we also see coins which we talk about daily: Solana, Sui, Cardano, ONDO, also Render, HBAR. We have many coins. Yeah, also if you like AVAX, Chainlink, Litecoin, so many pairs here. So in the video description, you have a link to mexc, and on top of that, you also get another 20% discount on your fees if you use my referral code. The link is in the video description. So I talked a lot. Yesterday I have done my videos in German because German is my first language and I wanted to try it. Yeah, since I'm a small channel, I want to explore a bit more. It looks like that I will just continue in English because I have built up that YouTube channel in English. So let's do it in English. But yeah, in German, I have seen in German it's much more easier for me to talk, and I can talk far more and far fluently without much breaks in my brain. So let's get to Bitcoin. What did Bitcoin do? We have said so far, okay, yeah, we have got to our targets. Yeah, let's go into the 1 hour chart. We have tracked a few bearish patterns like a double top pattern. The target is the 74,000 US dollar. We also got near to it, got a nice bounce, and here was the retest. Then I have said, okay, we can go even more up, yeah, not a big deal, but we shouldn't overshoot that wick because after that we are just going to get into that fair value gap, and it would be even, yeah, far more difficult for us to trade it. I have said, okay, take your fingers from trading at the moment because you don't know where it's going to go. I have tracked a few hours back a possible shoulder head shoulder formatation, which broke to the downside. Yeah, I was at the doctor for my eyes, so I couldn't do a video about it. So target got hit if we take the shoulder, target got hit if we take the head. But the thing is, it activated another pattern. This can be a double top pattern, which also broke to the downside. Yeah, we got a candle close. We have to see if the 1 hour candle closed lower than the 77,400 US dollar. No, it's not closing yet. We have to wait 3 minutes. Yeah, it's not looking like that we are going to break it to the downside now. It looks like that we might even take that fair value gap up to 78,140 US dollar or drop down now. Yeah, we don't know yet. Yeah, we have to wait for the candle. In the end of the day, I still think that this area is still my target. And I'm also in a short position. Yeah, for almost all the coins here on the right, I'm in a short position. I think even in everyone. I don't know if I'm in XRP short. I have to look in the altcoin update later. But I think that we are going to target the fair value gaps lower than us and for every coin. It looks like it, so I'm basically short right now, and we have to see what's going to happen. So also for Ethereum, I have tracked a possible bullish pennant, but the thing is, a bullish pennant is also a triangle, and if a triangle breaks to the downside, then we take the spread of the triangle, that's this target here, and we hit it perfectly. I still doubt that this is going to be our low, because if we look into the other coins, just to get an orientation, Dogecoin, still not at the target. Let's get to ONDO, still not at the target. Sui, still not at the target. So Ethereum is the first one who is in the target, but is it going to be our target, or are we going to get some fair value gaps? And for that we can see in the 50 minutes chart if we have anything lower than us. Nope, nothing. So basically we have to look into the 1 hour chart. This can be possible, and then we see another low. I can't tell you where it's going to go because I don't see any support which we can use. We can just use the fair value gaps from the past, because I don't want to go 3 years back to track support and resistance there. I think we have to look and trust our chart patterns and the price prediction of the chart patterns. So far, my chart pattern got hit so far. I couldn't be able to tell you that on YouTube because I saw it at 3 p.m. my time. 3 p.m. my time was already here in that area. And then I had at 4 p.m. an doctor appointment, so maybe next time we can track it. But still, I think it's short, and it might be possible that we get into the fair value gap up to 1.5k, and this can be even used as a short entry, because we have here then an inverse fair value gap, which people will then use to get a better entry for the next sell-off. It looks like it to me. So I really appreciate that you took the time to watch me. To be honest, I was at the doctor today, so I couldn't tell you that trades earlier. I wanted to do a video earlier, but couldn't do it. But still, in my altcoin analysis, I'm also talking about other chart patterns which I have seen. They also broke to the downside, and they still didn't get to their target. So there are still trades possible. I'm already in trades, and I will show you if I don't have a trade open, how would I trade it then? Okay, so see you then.